Hello everyone, welcome to 30 CAGR YouTube channel. My name is Raj. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about another indicator, a free TradingView indicator that we thought would be very useful if you are an intraday trader or a positional trader, right? So before we see what that indicator is, in case if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and hit on the bell icon, because in this channel you are going to see all this free stuff related to either strategies, indicators, algo tools, or other stock market resources, right? So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit on bell icon. All right, so in this channel, in our channel 30 CAGR, we have a lot of playlists, and in that one playlist is called Super Indicators, where we discuss about all these indicators. And we already have 3 indicators that we discussed in the past, which are phenomenally useful, especially if you are a price action trader. And as part of this, now we are discussing about the 4th one. In case if you haven't watched this, go and watch. These are really useful if you are a swing trader or a price action trader. All right, so one specialty about this indicator is, unlike other videos where we discussed about third-party indicators, this is an indicator that's built by our own team from BluechipAlgos. If you go to BluechipAlgos.com website, you have all these algo tools. Now we have added a separate menu called indicators. If you hit on this, it will take you to another site which focuses all these TradingView indicators. This is built especially for indicators, right? Because there are a lot of things that we can do with TradingView indicators. In this, you have premium indicators, free indicators, and third-party indicators. As part of this BCA free indicators, we are bringing this free indicator in front of you that's called BCA candlestick pattern. Okay, so all you have to do is just type BCA candlestick, and under community section you will see BCA candlestick pattern condition builder. We recently uploaded this and got approval from TradingView, so you can just start making use of this. Just hit on this little star icon so that it will be tagged to your favorites section instead of typing every day. And what this small indicator does is, it's really very handy, especially if you trade with candlestick patterns, right? There are a lot of candlestick patterns like engulfing or doji, morning star, evening star, 3 white soldiers, all these things. What happens is, everybody has a favorite candlestick pattern, right? And if you want to see when the pattern fulfills, okay, all the conditions, it's very difficult for you, right? You have to keep on checking each and every candle, whereas this candlestick builder, pattern builder, lets you build the condition easily. Okay, within just 30-40 seconds you can build your own condition, and once the condition is satisfied, it will show you on the chart, right? So it's a very handy indicator, and the results are also fabulous when we started testing this indicator. And so we will see one example on how to use this indicator. So just hit on settings. This is the settings. If you hit on settings, you have a few options. First option is very simple. If the condition that you are building is intraday, just check mark this one. Otherwise, if it's a positional, you can also use this for positional also, right? Then just uncheck this. If you check mark this, all right, it asks you what should be the entry time, okay, between what hours. Okay, you should get an entry signal. Let us say you want to build a simple strategy, like if current candle high is greater than previous candle high, okay, then give me a buy signal. This is a simple condition, but you want to get this only from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock you don't want to take any entry, then you can give 9 o'clock or 9:15 here and then 10 o'clock here, so that the entries will come only between this. Likewise, when should your open positions be closed, you can give the time for your end session also, so that if there is any open position, intraday position especially, that will be closed at whatever time you mention here, right? It's just an intraday mode. And then we have long and short, or you want to see only long signals or only short signals. Okay, for now, for demonstration purpose, let's select both. Now for long condition, we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 conditions. We can set up 5 conditions for long, and for short also we have a chance to make use of 5 conditions. Okay. Now let's take a small scenario in plain English, and then we will try to convert it into this. Uh, let's take the same example. Let us say you want to have a strategy where the current candle, okay, close, or maybe let's take high initially. So the current candle high is greater than the previous candle high, just for example, right? And previous candle high is greater than again previous candle high, and then this previous candle also we will compare it with further previous candle, and then we will. So what essentially is happening here is, let us say one more candle, okay. Current candle is compared to previous candle is compared to previous candle plus 1, and then previous candle to previous candle plus 1, previous candle to previous candle plus 1. So here we have condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, and condition 4, right? Candles, number of candles involved here are 5. Conditions are 4, but candles are 5. So this is a simple strategy, right? What this basically means is it's a bullish, some bullish trend is going on, right? You want to identify here, and here you should or you want to see a buy signal, okay? So that assuming that market will continue like this, you will enter here. This is a simple strategy you want to see. Now this is a current candle, right? So current candle is represented as 0, previous candle as 1, and further previous candle is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So always remember the numbering, this is very important. Current candle is 0, so 0 high is greater than 1 high, 1 high is greater than 2 high, 2 high is greater than 3 high, 3 high is greater than 4 high. It is a simple condition that we want to build here. And remember, let the current candle close, and only then you have to consider the buy signal, and next candle open will be your entry, right? Now we'll see how to build this. So for this, what we really want is how many conditions? We have only 4 conditions. We don't want the 5th condition, so I unchecked this 5th condition. Okay. Now the condition is like this: high of 0 greater than high of 1, and high of 1 greater than high of 2. High of 2 greater than, see, you have all these operators also. If you want, you can put a greater than, less than, or whatever you want. Okay. High of 3, and high of 3 greater than high of 4. Very simple condition that we built in 30 seconds. For coding you need to take a lot of time, but here you just need 30 seconds to build this entire condition. Like this, for short also you can do, but here short it will be less than, right? Because ideally it will be like this, right? This is the current candle, obviously. This is the previous candle, and then previous, and then previous, and then previous, right? So this low should be less than this low, or let's say this is the low, this low is less than this low, and then this low is less than this one, this one, this one. So you can simply build even for short signal also. Once after you build this, all you have to do is just hit on OK, and you will see all the conditions are being fulfilled, and then you get a signal for that pattern. You can see here, this high is greater than this high is greater than this greater than this, and this greater than this, right? That's why you got this. Now wait until the candle closes. Let this be here, because during the candle this one comes goes, because the candle might close above or not. Okay, so just you have to wait, and then once this candle closes, once you have the signal, next candle you can take the entry, right? Like this. Some people, what they say is, sir, I don't want to take high, I want to take close, okay, because that will be more accurate. Sure, if you want to take close, all you have to do is just replace this high 0 with close 0, okay, close 1, and then here also close 1 with close 2, close 2 with close 3, because generally closes give more, I would say, accurate picture of the trend. So you can do this also, and let's actually check only longs for now. Okay, now see, here it's a signal where you can see that the, here remember guys, it's the close. Okay, all the conditions are fulfilled, and then market went up. And here also, here look at it, it is not about red candle or green candle. the close here is greater than the close here, and this close is greater than this close. For red candle, bottom one actually is the close, right? So because the candle fell here, this is the close, and this close is greater than this close is greater than this close. Here we are not considering highs, so please be mindful. And then after this, markets went up. This is phenomenally helpful for scalpers, because scalpers, what they do is they enter when there is a trend, quickly enter, exit, and then move to the next signal. You can see that, here you can see this, how beautiful the signal is. We identified when the trend started, and then the trend traveled a lot. You can also see this in 1 minute also. Okay, so for example, you can see here the trend started, they enter, and then quickly they exit, right? So these kinds of patterns, whatever pattern you have, okay, it could be, let us say, two green candles and one red candle. So like whatever pattern that you have, you can just put it here, and then instantly you can see it on the chart, right? And to add more, you also have stop loss and targets also. Okay, just in case if you want to put target and stop loss, you can see I have put 20 points. So once after 20 points, of course 20 points I think is too less, because after 20 points is done, it consider the candle is closed, and so it gives the next signal. That's why you see a lot of signals there. So let's say maybe 40 or maybe 80. Okay, and you see that buy and long exit, right? You see small signals, but a lot of target hits. Okay, of course you can also have stop loss hits. That's not the scope of this video. The reason why I'm telling you is you can build your own conditions. Okay, but I don't really want to tell you that this is the best condition, but whatever you want, you can build using this, and these micro trades can be useful for scalpers, right? So that's one thing I want to tell you. And the second thing is, we are not stopping it here. This is just an indicator that we use to build and then see on the chart. But how do you know whether a particular indicator or strategy or a condition is profitable or not, right? So we are now building a strategy where you can also backtest a particular setup, right? So stay tuned. Meanwhile, just add it to your favorites, because in the coming videos we will also be backtesting so many patterns like this. Okay, customized patterns, two green, one red, or four greens continuously, like that we will be backtesting a lot and discussing in the videos, and then you can simply come and configure here, right? So just make sure that you add it to your favorites. And as I mentioned, in case if you have any questions, or if you want to take more free indicators, like if you are an option trader, we also have straddles, auto straddles. You all know that we do have these automatic rolling straddles, right? So all those kinds of rolling straddles, fixed straddles, all these things will be there. Just to follow us, or you can also contact us on our WhatsApp. We will guide you how to use them. Okay, and lastly, we also have the premium strategies also, in case if anybody wants to try it out, just try them out. Our previous strategies are also available. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit on bell icon. So many such free strategies will be discussed in this channel, so just make sure to subscribe and hit on bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.